Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to learn about admission of a partner. So, while admitting a new partner, the new partner should brought their capital into the business. While bringing capital to the business, what is the journal entry? Cash account debtor, bringing cash no, so cash account debtor, bank account debtor, cash or bank account debtor, asset account debtor to partners capital account. Before that, you should know what is meant by admission. Admission means a new partner admitted into the existing firm. A new partner joined into the firm, they should bring part of their capital, part of their goodwill to the company. So while bringing capital, cash or bank account debtor, asset account, if he is bringing asset account debtor to partner's capital account. Okay. So that is a journal entry. Then what are all the adjustments to be made at the time of admission of a partner? So there are 5 cases there is a need for adjustments of while admitting a new partner. What are all the various cases? See, first one is distribution of accumulated profits and reserves and losses. If there is any profits, accumulated profits, accumulated means undistributed profits, reserves, losses, that should be distributed. Then revaluation of assets and liabilities. All the assets and liabilities are to be revalued. Then determining the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. While a new partner entering into the firm, he should give with a part of share, no. So that is new profit sharing ratio. Then while a new partner admitted into a partnership firm, the old partner should sacrifice their ratio. That is sacrificing ratio. Then adjustments of goodwill. Find out the value of goodwill and that should be adjusted to the partners. Then adjustment of capital on the base of new profit sharing ratio. So after that they have to adjust the capital on the base of new profit sharing ratio. Now we are going to the first point, that is distribution of accumulated profits and reserves. How they are distributing the accumulated profits and reserves. Okay, so we can see. So what is meant by accumulated profit? First of all, you should know the profits which are not distributed to the partners called accumulated profits and losses. Okay, sometimes any reserves may be there, that should also be distributed to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio, only to the old partners, and that should be distributed in the old profit sharing ratio. Okay, before the new partner coming to the firm, there is a partnership profit sharing ratio. So based on that ratio, that should be distributed. So while distributing or transferring accumulated profits and reserve, what is the journal entry? The journal entry for accumulated profits and reserves are profit and loss appropriation account debtor journal entry. It is profit and loss appropriation account debtor profit and loss appropriation account debtor next what they are distributing? General reserve account debtor, any reserves, general reserve account debtor, then reserve fund account, any reserve fund is there in the business, reserve fund account debtor, then workman compensation fund account debtor, workman compensation fund, account debtor, then investment fund account, investment fluctuation fund account debtor, to old partners capital account. Or current account. This is only in the old ratio. Distributed based on the old ratio. Okay. So this is the journal entry for transferring, distributing accumulated profits and reserves and losses. Profit and loss appropriation account debtor, general reserve account debtor, reserve fund account debtor, old workman compensation fund account debtor, investment fund account, whatever may be the fund or reserves or profit and loss appropriation given in the question, debited to that. Then credit will be given to the old partners capital account or current account in the old ratio. So this is the journal entry for transferring profit and reserves. Then if there is any accumulated loss, now we are going to write the journal entry for accumulated loss. If there is any loss, what is the journal entry? This is for accumulated profits reserves. Second one, this is first one A. Second one B. For transferring accumulated loss. If there is any loss, that should also be transferred. So what is the journal entry opposite to this journal entry? Old partners capital, old partners capital or current account debtor to profit and loss account. To profit and loss account. This also in the old ratio. Okay, so this is the journal entry. So while first of all, this is the journal entry for transferring accumulated profits and reserve. Here transferring accumulated loss. So these are the two journal entries for transferring accumulated profits while admitting a new partner. Already existing reserves surplus fund that should be transferred to the old partners in the old profit sharing ratio. So these are the two types. Then now we can do the sums. Let me read the first exercise. See, Arul and Anida are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. On 31st March 2018, Ajay was admitted as a partner. On the date of admission, the books of firms showed a general reserve of 42,000. Pass journal entry to distribute the general reserve. This is an accumulated profit. Okay. So accumulated reserve. So how to distribute this? So what is the journal entry? This is the format journal entry, no? Profit and loss appropriation account debtor, general reserve account debtor, reserve fund account debtor, workmen's compensation fund account debtor, investment fluctuation fund account debtor, to old partners capital account or current account. That is a formula, no? So now we are going to do the journal entry. One reserve is there, no? That is general reserve. So date, particulars, this is journal entry. Ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. So now we are going to write the journal entry. What is the journal entry date which is given in the question? 31/3/2018. So journal entry, general reserve account debtor account debtor. Here how many partners? Arul and Anida. 2 Arul account. Account 2 Anida capital account. Capital account. Okay. Here also capital account. 2 Arul capital account. Okay. So here how much is there? 42,000 is there. 42,000. Here we are going to see what is the ratio among them. 4:3. So 42,000 into 4 by 7. 3 by 7. This is the ratio between them. So how much will come? 24,000 will come to the Arul. 24,000. Then here how much will? 18,000. Then what is the narration? Distribution of accumulated profit. Accumulated profits. That's all journal entry. Okay, so this is the journal entry and how to find out the 42,000 divided into 7, 4 by 7, 3 by 4 plus 3. So 7. Second one 3. So like this way we can find out. Okay. So this is a general. Now we can go to the second question. Now you listen second question. Let me read the question now. See. See the question. Anjali and Nitya are partners of a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Parimala on 1/1/2018. On that date, their balance sheet shows accumulated loss journal entry 40,000 on the asset side of the balance sheet. If any profit and loss account is shown on the asset side of the balance sheet, that is a loss. So that should be distributed to the old partners. So give journal entry to the transfer of accumulated profit. So here what is the journal entry? Same opposite journal entry, no? Now you listen on the board. See, exercise number 2. Okay, same journal entry. See, what is the journal entry? Just opposite. Here Anjali and Nitya. Anjali account debtor. Anjali capital account debtor. Nitya capital account debtor. Two goes to profit and loss account. Okay, so here how much is the profit and loss account? That is given as 40,000. Now this 40,000 is divided in the ratio of 5:3. 5 by 8, 3 by 8. So here 25,000, 15,000. Total will come. So being here transfer of accumulated loss. That is the explanation. Okay. So this is a method to transfer the profit as well as loss. First one is profit. Here there is loss. So opposite journal entry will come. Okay. Now we can go to the third question. That is also journal entry only. I'll read the question now. Here balance sheet is given in the question. See, Ovia and Kavya are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3. They admit Agalya into partnership. Their balance sheet on 31st March 2019 is as follows. So here balance sheet is given in the question. So we can easily find out what are all the reserves. See here capital Ovia 50,000, Kavya 40,000. Then P&L appropriation account 40,000, general reserve 8,000, workmen's compensation fund 12,000, syndicators 20,000. So these only we are going to profit and loss account, general reserve, workman compensation fund. Syndicators no need to consider now. So here past journal entry to transfer accumulated profits and reserves on admission. Here we are going to transfer only accumulated profit, that is profit and loss appropriation account, general reserve, workman compensation account. These are all the various reserves to be transferred. So now we can do the journal entry. Listen on the board now. See, profit and loss account debtor 40,000, general reserve account 8,000, workman compensation fund account 12,000, to Ovia's capital, to Kavya's capital. 5:3 is the ratio now. So 5:3 ratio 37,500, 22,500. And the narration, undistributed profits transferred to old partners capital account in the old ratio. So this is the journal entry to transfer this undistributed profits and reserves to the old partners capital account. Thank you.